and now it's called the Security X certifications from CompTIA. In the mid-tier, intermediate, popular certs, let me see if I can find a couple that are popular that you guys would know. AWS CSS, that's the AWS Services Certified. AWS Certified Security Specialization is intermediate, according to this chart. But this is a badass certification as well. I mean, you're going to be pulling down like 100, at least 100 on that one. Somebody asked about Linux certifications. Here's the one I was thinking about: Red Hat Certified System Administrator. This is a badass certification for Linux. Probably one of the top Linux certifications, as far as I know. Let me see other mid-tier certifications. Anything pop out at you guys? But yeah, you can go here. There's a couple different resources that you can go to. I just joined. What is this resource? So this is called pauljeremy.com. If you go to Google or Bing or DuckDuckGo or wherever you use for search, or ChatGPT for search, just type in security certification progression, and it'll take you to this roadmap. And just explain it real quick. If you look on the far left here, you'll see beginner, intermediate, and expert. And then if you look at the top, it has different types of certifications. Like it has communication and networking certifications. These are your Cisco networking certifications, your Juniper, your I don't know, Network Plus from CompTIA is there. All networking type communication, voice over IP type stuff is all here. And they don't list every single one. They list the most popular ones. I noticed, like the ones that are most popular in different industries. And then IAM, their identification and access management certifications right here. And you have the PMP. I'll get to that one in a second. So these are all your IAM certifications, starting with the SC 900 at the bottom, working your way all the way up to the top one, which is a Management Institution Certified Identity Management Professional, which I have never heard of until now. Then if you work out your way to the orange section here, it's got the Security Architecture and Engineering certifications. It's things like let me see if I can find some popular ones you might have heard of. A+ certification is on there at the bottom. The AWS Cloud Certified Cloud Practitioner at the bottom. That's one I'm about to take real soon here. Bottom tier certification. You've got the Google Associate Cloud Engineer. You've got Network Plus. You got a Kubernetes one here. There's a lot that are here in this one. Other popular. The Red Hat Certified Engineer. Oh, this is a top tier Linux certification right here. And then they have above that one, a $3,000 cert in the expert level is Red Hat Certified Architect. Yeah, I've heard of that one before. That's crazy. So yeah, that's your orange tab. And then if you have your light orange, which is asset security certifications. And then going to our right here, the next one is security and risk management certifications. And this is the ones that mostly that I've been talking about, that's kind of in the field that I talk about, which is Security Plus, GSEC, CASP, or Security X now, CISSP, CRISC, and other super popular certifications that are on there. I don't know if CISA is in the next one, which is Security Assessment and Testing. So CISA is one of the more popular ones. GCIA, man, badass certification. Super impressed by that one. That was really effective during my SOC analyst days. Let's see, software security certifications. It includes the ISC2 Squared Certified Secure Software Lifecycle Professional, which I've heard of before, and some other certifications that I have not heard of before. And then you've got the last one, which is Security Operations. And I think he's got this one broken up into different parts here. But he's got a forensics piece. He's got a incident handling, pen testing, and exploit. And among these, you have all kinds of stuff. You got a bunch of SAN certs. You've got a bunch of Kali Linux certs. You've got the popular OSCP for pen testing. You've got a bunch of great certs here. So yeah, that's